How to install Roblox on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you have any of the iPhone 12 series and I want to install the Roblox game app on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to install Roblox on iPhone 12, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. Then once you open the App Store, click on the search button at the bottom right. Then hit the search box and search for Roblox. Now click on Roblox from the search result. Here, if you see the Roblox game icon, go ahead and click on that. Then tap the get button in your own case. But if you already downloaded and installed the Roblox before and then uninstall it, you can just click on the iCloud icon. Once you hit that, you'll be prompted to tap the install button from pop. Tap the install button in some cases. You may be prompted to type in your Apple account password to confirm that you are the one that is trying to install the Roblox application on your iPhone. Then you want to hang on until the Roblox application is installed. Now, once the Roblox app is installed successfully, then you can now click on the open button here or go to your app screen on your iPhone. Then locate the Roblox icon and then click on it. There you go. So that is basically how to install Roblox on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.